What schools should know about commercial cleaning with COVID. Daycares, preschools, charter schools, and private schools. What we have learned about COVID-19, the way it is transmitted, and infection rates has evolved. Learn the latest information about cleaning and disinfection best practices for maximum infection control in daycares, preschools, and other educational facilities, including best practices for cleaning, best practices for disinfecting, what disinfectants should be used, is electrostatic spraying effective, how to handle ventilation, the best cleaning and disinfecting schedule. Download the executive report on this page to learn more. Get the TotalWorks cleaning and disinfection service. Your educational facility will receive the TotalWorks cleaning and disinfection service from OpenWorks elite network of service providers, a dedicated team of professionals who are experts in commercial cleaning solutions. TotalWorks services include deep cleaning all high-touch surfaces with EPA-approved antimicrobial disinfectants. Electrostatic spraying is available upon request, and you can opt to add continuous care, an antimicrobial surface protectant that is applied after surfaces have been cleaned and disinfected to provide continuous protection from germs, bacteria, and microorganisms for up to 90 days. If you run a daycare, preschool, charter school, or private school, contact OpenWorks today to get an estimate on commercial cleaning services. Get an estimate.